Mahal kita Krisi. Hello.
Yes. So,
Okay.
do you have question?
Yeah, I have some question to ask you. So, where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay. So, which part do you live in Philippines? Which side? Why you moving your camera? Why you moving?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, no need to say sorry.
It's not
Which side? Which part?
Visayas. I'm
Visayas. Okay, okay.
Visayas.
Okay, okay, okay.
Nice to know you.
You looking so cute when you smiling.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I appreciate it.
I want to see you clearly, so I am using a glasses on my eyes. How I'm looking right now?
Wow.
Why are you laughing to see my glasses? What happened?
Because it's red. Because it's red.
Oh, because you use lipstick on your lips, right? Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you for showing me. Thank you for showing me. Can I use it? Can I use it? Wow. If I want to be your boyfriend, then will you allow me? I can speak Tagalog. Do you wanna hear that?
Oh,
If you wanna hear that, you have to answer me, okay?
sure, sure.
Mahal kita Krisi.